If you're getting the Cloudflare WARP Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error during installation, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and it's usually not a problem with your computer. In most cases, this happens because old Cloudflare WARP files are still sitting on your system and blocking the new installer from completing properly. Even if you already uninstalled WARP, leftover background services or hidden folders can cause the installation to fail. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to completely wipe those old files and force a clean installation step by step. And if this helps you fix the issue, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Let's start by stopping any Cloudflare processes that might still be running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details at the bottom so you can see everything that's running. Now scroll through the list and look for anything named Cloudflare or WARP. If you see Cloudflare WARP, Cloudflare Tunnel, or any similar process, right-click on it and choose End Task. This step is very important because if these services are still running, Windows will not let you delete the leftover installation folders. Take a few seconds to make sure every Cloudflare-related process is closed before moving on. Now that all background tasks are stopped, we're going to manually remove the leftover program files. Open File Explorer and click on This PC. Then open your Windows C drive, usually labeled Windows C. Go into the Program Files folder. Scroll down until you find a folder named Cloudflare. If you see it there, right-click on the Cloudflare folder and click Delete. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. Once that's done, go back to the C drive and now open Program Files x86. This is important because sometimes Cloudflare installs components in both locations. Again, look for a Cloudflare folder. If you find one, right-click and delete it. The goal here is to remove every leftover Cloudflare installation file, so there are no ghost files interfering with the setup wizard. After deleting both folders, it's a good idea to quickly check that nothing was left behind. You can use the search bar in the top right corner of File Explorer and type Cloudflare, just to confirm there aren't any obvious leftover installation folders inside program files. Once you're confident everything is removed, close File Explorer. Now we're ready for the fresh installation. Download the latest Cloudflare WARP installer directly from the official Cloudflare website to make sure you're using the most recent version. Once downloaded, right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the setup wizard full permission to install all required services properly. The installation bar should now move smoothly without triggering the Ended Prematurely error. Wait for the green progress bar to complete, and once you see the Finish button, click it to complete the installation. After installation finishes, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the system tray. You should now see the Cloudflare WARP cloud icon again. Click on it and toggle the switch to turn protection on. If it changes to Protected, that means the installation was successful and everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Cloudflare WARP Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error by doing a complete clean wipe and reinstall. If this video helped you solve the problem, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.